Colleges fell like a playing card hell, and the tears on the face of the wise boy came trembling down through the rumbling ground, and the missionary mystic of peace love. I stumbled back to cry among the clouds, kicking back the pebbles from the free cloud mountain track. Nah. All right, how do we get started today, baby? What's the matter?
Oh, I don't know. I just kind of got the winter blues.
Yeah. Oh, here comes the heater again. Should we just plow through?
I don't even care.
Oh, sweetie, don't be sad.
I can't help it. It's all cold and snowy out there, and winter's gonna last forever.
No, it won't last forever. Spring is on its way. You know, in 6 or 7 months from now, the sun should come right out. Nah. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Poor old Natasha. She's got the winter blues. And we got a ring in this microphone. But yeah, sweetie, you know what you should do?
What's that?
Well, take some vitamin D. Have a kale shake. I'll make you a kale shake.
Will you?
Sure. You know, kids, if you get there's actually a condition, they call it seasonal affect disorder.
Yeah.
And people get it. It stands for sad. I'm sad. I got seasonal affect disorder. But lots of people in Bemidji get sad because the sun goes away and it gets real cold and it gets real snowy and everything breaks down and you got to shovel all the time.
Yeah. Huh.
So, kids, if you're feeling bad, talk to Grandma. She's going to tell you this. She's going to say, eat your vegetables. Try to get lots of vitamin D. Put down the videos and all that. You're not going to watch enough. There's not going to be enough YouTube videos to cheer you up. You got to go outside anyway and get some exercise. That's all you need, really. So, yeah. But it's not easy. Nima nendam. I'm sad. Should we make that the Ojibwe word? Nima nendam?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah. So, they say, we zugipun dibekak. It's going to snow tonight. It's going to snow a lot. There's a big storm coming. So, it's not the time to eat sugar and watch movies. I know that's what people think. Oh, you know what? If there's going to be a big storm, we'll just eat a pizza and watch movies and lay under some blankets. And, put the blankets over the windows so it's not so cold. Well, that's not going to help. You got to go outside and shovel. Actually, you know what else you need to do, kids? Just, put out some tobacco and give it to get
Oh,
your
yeah.
mama to. Make a gratitude list. It's no joke. If you're feeling down, you gotta work on it to get yourself back. I don't know. Kind of weird. I don't know why we're talking about this. Anyway, so yeah. Nima nendam. Hoa. I'm sad. Gima nendam. You're sad. But, we'll get through this. All right. Well, you want to add anything here, sweetie?
No, not really.
Okay. Well, hey, everyone. You know what? This is a good song for a day like today. Lots of times people get the blues. And, the first step is to, just give it up. Recognize, I got the blues. And, so this is a song we recorded yesterday. And it's called The Blues Runs the Game. And You have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. Catch a boat to England, baby, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues are all the same. Send out for whiskey, baby, send out for gin. Me and room service, honey, me and room service, babe, me and room service. Well, we're living a life of sin. When I'm not drinking, baby, you're on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, honey, when I ain't sleeping, mama, when I'm not sleeping, you know, you'll find me crying. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues come following down. Loving is a gamble, baby, loving's much the same. Wherever I have played, wherever I've thrown them dice, wherever I have played, the blues have run the game. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast all about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is my weenie Moshe. This is Natasha. BOOZHOO! I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Minowa. Oh. Giga Wabamin, Minowa. Oh, what? Now you know what?